Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Mecca, the holy city, lies at the heart of the Hijaz desert, where hundreds of Arabs journey for Hajj to the holy Kaaba. The Quraysh tribe governed it, overseeing the pilgrim services at the Kaaba. Many Quraysh leaders, realizing their gain in wealth and prestige, began exploiting religion for their personal gain. They created idols, placed them in the Kaaba, and deceived people by claiming that these were gods to garner more gifts and offerings for the idols. However, among Mecca's leaders, one devoutly followed Prophet Ibrahim's religion, refusing to exploit it for money. And so, everyone in Mecca loved and respected him. This man, Abu Talib, is the father of our story's hero, the Redeemer. 13th Rajab, 23 years before the Hijrah.
Oh, Abbas bin Abdul Muttalib, how are you? There are so many pilgrims this year. Are you ready to provide them water?
Yes, Kanab's son. The Zamzam well my father dug is enough to meet their needs. Look, is that not Fatima bint Asad, wife of Abu Talib?
9 months pregnant, Fatima bint Asad visited the house of God when a time to give birth arrived.
O God, I believe in you and the messengers and books you sent. For the one who built this house and for my baby, I beseech you to ease my childbirth.
Abbas and his companion marveled at the events following her prayer.
Look, my brother, the wall of the Kaaba is split for her to enter, and now she has entered the Kaaba through that crack. Do you see what I see?
Yes, Harris, it's astounding. Look, the wall is back to how it was. Let's open the Kaaba's door to see what's happening.
Yet, their attempts to open the Kaaba's door were in vain. It remains shut.
Leave it. This may be God's will.
Fatima bint Asad remained inside the Kaaba, and this became the talk of the town. Hazrat Abu Talib's servant approached him.
Master Abu Talib, days have passed and your wife is still inside the Kaaba. Why haven't you done anything?
Fear not. She resides under God's care, and we can only pray for His mercy, for He alone is enough for us, and to Him we entrust our affairs.
3 days later, Fatima bint Asad emerged, cradling her newborn. She was greeted by the people of Bani Hashim.
Praise God for your well-being, sister.
Such a blessed child. How radiant you are, cousin.
She presented her newborn to her husband.
Take, O Abu Talib, your blessed son, for by God he holds a lofty status with him. He was born in the most honorable place on earth.
Praise be to God. Thank God for your safety, Fatima. What name shall we give him?
I favored the name Haydar.
A splendid name, yet this child, graced by his birth in the Kaaba, shall be called Ali.